Hello everyone, and welcome back to day 3 of your English speaking course for beginners, preparation for IELTS. Let's quickly review what we did yesterday. Try saying these words with me. Focus on pronunciation. Very well, V sound. Water, W sound. 3, TH sound. Really, R sound. Excellent. Those sounds are super important for clear English, especially in IELTS speaking. Today, we'll start learning how to greet people and introduce yourself in English. These are the first things you say in real conversations, and they are also used in IELTS Speaking Part 1. Let's begin. Speech balloon. Hello, hello. It is a way of a simple greeting. Hi, or hi, it is more casual, friendly. Good morning is pronounced as good morning, which is before 12 p.m. a simple greeting. Good afternoon is pronounced as good afternoon. 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. it is a simple greeting. Good evening is pronounced as good evening. After 6 p.m. it is a simple greeting. How are you is pronounced as how are you. To ask someone's feeling, it is a simple greeting. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. To respond politely. Best tip for you: smile and use friendly tone. It makes your English sound natural. Now let's practice introducing yourself, just like in the IELTS speaking test. Headphone, repeat after me. My name is Janice. I'm from India. I live in Mumbai. I'm a student. I love learning English. Now, let's put it all together in a short self-introduction. Hello. My name is Janice. I'm from India and I live in Mumbai. I'm a student and I love learning English. That's perfect. You've just completed your first real English self-introduction. Let's listen to a short conversation. Repeat after each line with me. A. Hello. What's your name? B. My name is Alex. And you? A. I'm Janice. Nice to meet you. Person B. Nice to meet you too. Light bulb pro tip. In IELTS, speaking naturally and clearly is better than speaking fast. Recap and reflection. Let's review what we learned today. Greetings. Hello, good morning, how are you? Self-introduction. Name, country, city, and hobby. Simple dialogue for nice to meet you. You're doing amazing. Remember, communication starts with confidence, not perfection. Homework. Record yourself saying, hello, my name is, your name. I'm from, your country. I live in, your city. Listen to your voice and try again more clearly and confidently each time. Excellent work today. You've learned greetings, introductions, and practiced your first real English conversation. Tomorrow, in day 4, we'll learn how to talk about your family and friends, another common IELTS topic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with a friend who's learning English too. Sparkles, keep speaking English every day and you'll sound fluent faster. Sparkles. Thank you.